So initially this video was supposed to be very simple, very quick, very easy, but like anything we do, it just went terribly wrong. We somehow ended up going from just changing the control arms upper and lower, the tie rods inner and outer, the drop links, very simple on paper, to somehow doing a full suspension front end rebuild. Oh God! I've got a gearbox leak.
Well, I think your shock's leaking as well.
Where?
This side.
Why?
Well, the boot's knackered and there's like oil around it.
Well, look at all around here. It's all leaking now, but it seems to be coming from this side of the box.
Oh, so it could be with the main seal. Gotta take gearbox out for that. So this 22mm bolt is for the suspension arm. The same pry bar.
Yeah, underneath.
So the idea is to get the thrust arm out and you knock it from below. But this bearing has also came with it, which is not meant to happen.
Apparently.
Yeah, apparently.
Strut needs to come up a bit more. Yeah.
So the sleeve's stuck on the thrust arm.
I don't think that was coming off regardless.
No, it's knackered. So give an update.
Yeah, an update, it's snapped. You've bust it, and the boot's ripped. All I know, they're not supposed to come out.
Well, yeah, not
if they come out, the chance of you getting off that is apparently slim, as we've now established.
Yeah, but you should just be able to buy that.
No, you have to buy the whole hub. Well, the question is then, how do you get that out? How do you get that off that? Because you could still, in theory, put it back in as a temporary solution. Oh yeah, so it's this. So that way bit. Need me adjustable wrench, which probably won't work. We need a lift. We'd have this out by now. Where's the frickin' impact? I'm never buying another BMW. Could have bought Fiesta. Look, even the impact's crap.
Alright, see if car flops over now.
Piece of shit of a car. I'm never buying another BMW. Like, nothing's gone to plan on this side. Nothing. Hold it there.
First impressions?
Yeah, took the piss.
So you're looking forward to carrying on?
No. what the wheel bearing he's doing. So yeah, we're doing the wheel bearing.
So
It's turned into a rebuild.
yeah, so this nightmare of a job has got even worse because we need big wheel bearings. So if the bolts don't come out, I dread to think how bad that hub and wheel bearing's going to be.
Yeah, basically I'm doing everything that I planned on doing to Mona on the daily.
Yeah, so it's a bad idea. Basically, we need to scrap the car.
I'm too deep in now.
No, the daily is too expensive. We need to abandon ship. Hit the iceberg and there's no point trying to patch it up. So, in summary, the tie rod bolt, the tie rod's stuck, so we need to cut that off. The carrier bolt needs cut off because that's had
What tie rod?
The tie rod.
It doesn't need cut.
Drop link.
Yeah, the drop link.
Yeah, drop link. I said drop link.
You said tie rod.
No, I meant drop link. Drop link's stuck. The carrier bolt needs replaced, so that's 25 quid on eBay.
For a bolt.
No, that's bolt and nut. Nut and bolt.
Oh.
So 25 quid for a nut and bolt, so we need that.
The sleeve, don't forget the sleeve that you've knackered.
Yeah, the sleeve, which we'll probably need 2 of those that you can't buy. So yeah.
Yeah, now I found out we need a wheel bearing.
Yeah, probably 2 wheel bearings. So we got the driver's side knuckle off, and unfortunately, the sleeves have came with it.
Which you can't seem to buy anywhere.
Yeah, so you can't buy the sleeves. So here's the first sleeve.
Yeah, angle grinding it out.
Yeah, this came off the
Control arm.
This came off the upper control arm, but this sleeve that you can't buy came off with it. And then the tie rod end also came off with it.
And the different sizes.
Yeah, so this is 28mm, 28.1mm, and this is 26.1mm.
Yeah.
So we've got to somehow make these, or you've got to buy a whole new knuckle. So the idea is to get this powder coated.
In black.
In black.
But no, it's original because it's Satch. Well, unless it's been changed.
I doubt it. Nothing else has been changed.
Oh. Because you can still buy them.
So it's also worth mentioning, we're also doing the hubs now, as the hubs are knackered.
You might took my hand off.
Nothing wrong with it.
They're knackered. I'll put it this way. Little resistance.
You've been working out.
I'll say it for that. They're fine, I'm going to put them back on. So yeah, now we need some shocks.
So basically we're rebuilding the...
Yeah, we literally are now, it's gone that far. Can you stop just leaving the bolts lying around? Because where they came from, you don't know. I know for a fact you have no idea what bolts they're from. You just know they came off somewhere and that my shoes came off.
That's what you get for criticising. Guess what?
What?
You need a new shock.
Yeah, and a new top mount.
Yeah, and a new top mount. You need to rebuild the entire car now.
Well, the springs are good though. That's the only good thing.
No, I think you need new ones.
No, I'm not buying new
Look,
springs.
they could be powder coated actually. You could get them done in black.
They're already black.
No, look. Let me undo it.
Gently, eh?
Gentle's my middle name. They look bait.
Hold it. But just press it here.
Just get off.
Just let me look through it.
Yeah, look.
I'm not buying new springs.
Yeah, look. Don't work. They're all rusty.
Springs don't go bad.
Well, they're all rusty.
For the most part.
At the very least, they need powder coated.
Maybe.
Yeah. So you can get... Right, dude. But I'll give you a £5 to powder coat these.
This car's an absolute money pit. Money pit of BMW is. That's what BMWs are. They're absolute money pits. You buy a BMW, you guarantee you'll have no money left. Well, I've already ordered
the rubber boots.
Yeah, I've ordered the rubber boots.
These are original.
But did you notice I've got quite a substantial oil leak coming out of my box? Hershel's like, oh, I've had enough. I'm in front of 2 BMWs. Probably putting it on. Probably sit amongst himself, talking. Like, oh, you just drip a bit of oil and that'll be throw some money into you. Oh, look, this socket don't fit. It's just a waste of time, this is. Where's that gone? Why is that there? Look, that's an 11. 11 goes there. Oh, I'll just spend my whole day rearranging the toolbox now. It's like, no, it's all in the wrong order.
This is why I said you need to put stuff back as you use it.
It's you.
No.
Just admit it. Look, you're a scruffy bastard. It's just left all over the place.
The toolbox
I like organisation.
Yeah, the toolbox I use, I put everything away. 14. Now look, you use the impact stuff and it's all gone.
Yeah, where is it? 16.
Probably on the floor.
Look, they're the wrong way up as well. You can't have your tools the wrong way up.
Rivers run dry, dust breaths in the air. 2 dark days, do you have a tear to...
Wait, I don't like that angle, I need to do it from here.
Oh yeah, I'll just be like this, shall I? This'll work. No, this is a brilliant angle.
Yeah. That's a blowtorch.
Yeah, I will be needing it.
You just sprayed my hand. So you're going to set it on fire instead?
I'm going to weaken it. Shit, it's on fire. Shit! Fuck! God, Jesus! I literally nearly died. It's like the movies. You know, you see it in the movies. It goes up in flames like, take the jacket off. See that? See the speed at which I'm getting this done? How are we going to get the strut out?
You're going to have to cut the bolt.
It's not flattered. It's nearly there. Done it.
This is the bolting question.
Yeah, I'll just cut it straight down the middle.
Yeah, it's right in between. I've only nicked it a little bit.
There we go. That's the upper control arm. Alright, knuckles out.
Yeah, so these sleeves have never come out apparently.
They're not supposed to. But
Yeah,
we've got like 3 in a row now.
Yeah, so we've managed to get them all out, basically. No, we've got one left in, haven't we?
So it's a day or so later. Everything is now out of the car in terms of the knuckle, the spring, the shocks, the top mounts, the dust shields, whatever. So the next step is to get these powder coated. I'm just going to go for a black, nothing special. The same with the springs. Bollocks. I was contemplating buying new springs, but I just figured, you know what, these will do the job. So these are going to go black as well. These are the top mount plates. I'm also going to get these sprayed in black. And then the dust shields, these also in black. Oh, bollocks. Now there is an issue with this one. The rivets have came out, so I'm not too sure how I'm going to re-secure that, considering I don't have a rivet. But we'll cross that path when we get to it. So the suspension, the shocks are shot. This one isn't too bad. This is the passenger side. No, even though the camera won't focus. And then here we have the driver's side, which is just Easy. So yeah, hopefully next time you see this, it'll all be nice and fresh. It'll all be nicely, freshly painted. Although there is the other issue to tackle, is with these springs, and that is finding some new sleeves for these holes. From what I've read, they're not actually supposed to come out, but we've managed to get 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. I do think as well, to be fair, I'm going to clean this arch line, because it's going to look a little bit odd with all brand new parts and then a dirty arch. So I may do that at some point as well.
It's about time for me to go. Like I dive team. Like I'm last week night with the flow here. Johnny boy, my peeps. I'm an infotainment state. My brain ain't contained. Shit keeps spilling out. I'm belligerent insane. My drink don't stay in place. That shit's in my I'm house. Just 2 girls, 1 company. Keep it hipster like succulents. My main bitch be a succubus. Swear I'm better than younger.